Hi, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. Summer has truly arrived, and I'm absolutely delighted to show you a very special property today, a truly one-off. It's a 5-bedroom luxury home with a triple garage and a beautiful garden. So let's go and have a look together and see what it's got to offer. So, welcome inside Cornerstones. The architect designed property was completed in 2021 with family occupants fully in mind. Since then, our clients have done a lot of further improvements to the property, which today is of a complete exceptional quality throughout. And you'll notice here straight away the feeling and the warmth that you get the minute you enter into the home. We've got this fantastic oak staircase which ascends to the first floor. Designed with modern living in mind and epitomising what families are looking for, the accommodation is free-flowing and light and airy. So let's have a look at the kitchen. So here it is, the kitchen, and just look at it. It's fantastic. It's my favourite room, and let me tell you why. You've got 3 elevations. You've got light, bright, sociable spaces, perfect for interaction. And if you look at the quality of the units, all sourced by Howdens, you've got quartz, sparkly worktops, you've got grey cupboards, wall-mounted units, base cupboards, and you've got a plethora of integral appliances. So being able to just step outside into the garden with this lovely southwesterly facing paved patio is absolutely stunning. It really is. Just being able to relax and enjoy this space. I think after the filming, I'm going to jump into the hot tub, or maybe even utilise the barbecue that we can see here as well, because it's just so inviting, it really is. So the owners have developed and manicured the garden with great skill and attention to detail. There's a number of features within the back garden. I love the water feature, which provides a lovely subtle soundtrack. In fact, it's very hard to believe that here we are in Launceston, yet the tranquility and privacy of the setting is second to none. And being able to walk seamlessly from the garden into the principal reception space via these bifold doors really does make the whole flow even more enhanced. So the main reception space, the sitting room, is a clever design because it's very, very large, and it also is designed to capture 2 separate areas for relaxing and sitting down. From being able to just enjoy the television, or to my right here you'll notice there's a wonderful focal point being a fan heater with a real flame effect with transferable colours, adds to the ambience. And then you also have, with many of the window dressings, day-night blinds, but also thermal roller blinds, just to give it that snug, warm feel. The rest of the ground floor accommodation includes a shower room stroke WC with a soaker shower. There's also a very large utility room with a built-in cupboard. So onwards and upwards, as they say, and here we are on the landing, but it's no normal landing. Have a look at this, a huge galleried landing, again with rooms off to all of the spacious bedrooms. So here we are in the main bedroom, and you can certainly see that straight away because it's very, very spacious. It's got a high ceiling here which really creates volume in the room. And also, in addition to the roller blinds, we have shutters which seamlessly shut. If I was sleeping here tonight, then on a day like this, I'd certainly want to make the most of the air conditioning unit, which, as you can see, is wall mounted there. Just helps the regulation of temperature all year round. And what we also have with the main bedroom is this spacious walk-in dressing room. And then through, we've got the ensuite shower room WC, with again another large shower and his and her sinks. In the main section of the house, there are remaining 3 double bedrooms. And bedroom 2 has the benefit of an ensuite shower room WC. Surely this has to be one of the most exquisite bathrooms you will find. How about this? What a bath. The recess, the lighting, all completely interchangeable by colour, by remote control, waterfall taps, his and her sinks. You've got it all, you really have. It's sumptuous. So here we are now in the annex, and it has a completely independent access and an independent staircase, but it's also integrated into the main house. And if we come in and look at the area, you'll notice straight away that it is, a property in its own right. It's got the benefit of roof windows with full blackout blinds. There's an area at the side there designated to be a small kitchen with a sink and able to put in the necessary cooking appliances. Our clients have previously derived income from this section of the property, but it could also double up very nicely to become an ancillary annex for a dependent relative, or perhaps for those that work from home and need a lot of space, it could become a completely separate office suite. So for a 5-bed luxury family home, it truly has it all. From a triple garage, delightful garden and an annex, then Cornerstones has to be for you. For more information on this spectacular property, contact Fine & Country now on 01566 771919. Thank you.